Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can post long story on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm going to be opening up my Instagram app on my phone and go to this plus icon and then tap on the story. Now you simply have to add in the file. You can choose a long file as well. So you can see I have this particular file which is long enough. So you can see the limit is only 1 minute. So only 1 minute till I can post it. If I tap on done, my story for 1 minute would be proceed for me to be posted. Remaining 38-second worth of clip I can add in another. Yeah, so you have to simply have multiple stories for you to add in the long ones, because the limit is only 1 minute. That is by the Instagram itself. So unfortunately you cannot upload a story which is longer than 1 minute on Instagram at all. If you want to simply involve the stories that are longer, or the full music videos, or videos likewise which is more than a minute, then you can post a minute worth in one story, and then when the next story come up, you can add another story as well. That's how you can compile and post it. That is it. If you got more questions, let us know in the comments below, and that is basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.